everybody. I'm Caroline Baudino, and I am your mom that reminds you every single day to get up, get dressed, look good, feel good, and do good. So I believe in doing your makeup every day, even if it's just a little light touch or dramatic, whatever makes you feel fabulous. I am all about looking in the mirror and actually liking what you see. So I make this effort every single day because when I look good, honestly, it puts a pep in my step. It makes me feel more motivated, more ready. It kind of signals my brain that I give a shit about myself. So let's do this. Okay, so first, beauty products, Honor MD Tropical Mist. I'm gonna do like a kind of a copper look today, you guys. Coppery eyes, like coppery smoky with the brown liner, because I'm wearing black and white today. So let's see how this goes. Okay, then I'm gonna use a Genetically Blessed. Okay, this is the hyaluronic acid. Then I'm gonna put a little vitamin C. Make sure it's a pure vitamin C, guys. I get mine from Amazon. And I just put it all over. And I'm just finishing up here. This is my Monica blender. Her Undercover. Best moisturizer, you guys. I am a big believer on how you look directly affects how you feel. So I like personally to look like the best version of myself every single day because, again, when I see that, it makes me feel good and makes me happy. So that's the effort I'm making today, you guys. And I'm going to keep this makeup super simple. You guys, if you overcomplicate it, you won't do it. That's me too. You just give up and you're like, oh, forget it. I can't do it. And you start talking negative stuff to yourself. I'm going to keep it super simple so that every day you actually do it, you actually accomplish it, and then you actually feel fabulous. And then once you start feeling fabulous every day, you're never going back. You know what I mean? So let's get started. Monica blender. I am going to use her Undercover and foundation in the 4.25. That is my exact match. If you guys are looking and interested, you can send her a photo on her Instagram. You DM her. And her assistant, Jess, is amazing about getting back to you and color matching you. So that's just a little tip. Like this actually makes you look like you, but the best version of you, right? That's what we're looking for. We want to look like ourselves. This is just like a natural filter that we use to look, just to, spice things up a bit. And again, you are not a waste of time ever. And you feeling good is never a waste of time. So for me, I will make that effort. I'd rather not go to Starbucks and get the stupid expensive coffee and have time to do my makeup. That benefits me way more. Okay, here we go. Don't worry, this will all blend in together. We're just starting the layering process. Okay, so that was 4.25 Monica blender. Now I'm gonna touch with a little bit of a bronzed foundation. I use Fancy Face in the medium. It's their BB cream. Super simple. It has that just the right kind of tan for me, if you know what I mean. Look at that. Just like the perfect bronzer where it's not too crazy, but it looks like I've been on vacation, which is personally my favorite look. My background is Cuban and Venezuelan, so I am Latino and I love the sun. My parents love the sun. We look better tan. I have like that olivey skin that looks kind of yellow if you're not tan. Now I'm gonna go in with a teensy bit of Fancy Face contour stick, okay? So I'm literally gonna do tiny line here, tiny line there, okay? Right there, hug your cheekbone, okay? It's like as if you're hugging your cheekbone. One. That's it. And I take my brush and I just blend it along the hairline. Okay, nice and easy, just to give you that contour on your face, and then just blend into your cheekbone. Go on this side. Up, 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 lift the eye, give you a little as eyeshadow. I love the Ilia cream eyeshadow, you guys. Here's the Ilia Copper. It's a brush. Now I'm gonna go on nice and light because it's a little bit of a darker color. And use whatever brush you have. Go to Target and buy some of the e.l.f. brushes. They're super cheap and they're great. Now I'm going to blend this in. There we go. Tap, 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 blend. Okay, look at that color, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to blend. Get into the crease to create that smoky eye, and then you want to bring it around like a semicircle. There we go. Look how beautiful it is, you guys. It looks like purpley, coppery. This would be great on vacation with just like a nude lip, hair slicked back, and like a white outfit. So your eyes really pop. That's the look I love, even for your everyday. So obsessed with this. Now, I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. This is a gel liner. These are discontinued, but people like Laura Geller has a gel liner. Victoria Beckham has a gel liner. Monica Blunder is going to be coming out with a gel liner. I love gel liners because they go on smoothly. You don't need brushes and things to blend. They just are creamier, so they're easier to apply. So I'm using the Marc Jacobs. I'm devastated that this is discontinued because I would buy 400 of them. All right, here we go. So we're going to go right here. Make a little cat eye right where the eyeshadow ends. And then right across the lashes. There we go. Okay, that's simple. And then underneath. Now I'm gonna do this eye. Get that little cat eye. And then swoop across. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Perfect. So you guys, it's like a perfect smoky eye, and you've only used 2 things. You guys, I really love this. I don't know why I don't wear the copper more. I'm gonna do the Kosas in the medium or the light medium. I use both depending if I'm tan again. So go right where the hair starts and just brush up. Brush up, brush up, brush up, lift, 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 lift. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Double. This gives you like, it lengthens on one side. You see the white? That lengthens the lashes. Now I'm going to do cheeks. I'm going to use Fancy Face, Almost Famous. There you go. And I'm going to just do apples of the cheek. I'm going to use Monica Blunder in a 3-5. So a lighter shade. I always go lighter under the eye and just clean it up. Use a little highlighter. I'm going to do on the nose, 2 dots above the cheekbone, a little Charlotte Tilbury gold highlighter, and then I just tap and blend, tap and blend, tap and blend. And then last but not least, I go over everything with my Fancy Face bronzer. There we go. Makeup is done. Here is the copper smoky eye. It is easy, I promise you, and you are always worth the effort. I have never regretted looking fabulous. I can promise you that. So you guys leave in the comments. I hope this was helpful. I hope you loved it. Keep making suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. I'm on Instagram, Shop with Caroline. I'm on TikTok, Being Caroline. Love all the support and the love. I so appreciate you, and I'm always rooting for you. Get up, get dressed. Let's do this.